In this video, let me show you how to use Robinhood options for beginners. So if you're trying to trade options within Robinhood, and if this is your first time trying to do so, in this video, let me show you the steps that you would need to follow. Now by default, trading option would not be enabled. So what you need to do is first of all head over to the settings of Robinhood and head over to the options trading platform, where you'll need to first of all enable it. You need to provide some details about yourself, and once all of the accounts is created and once you have enabled the options trading, only then you'll be able to trade options. So what you need to do is head over to the particular stock that you're trying to trade and then just tap on the trade option. Once you tap on trade, you'll see two things. Either you can just tap on the buy, which is normally buying a stock, or you'll also be able to see the option called trade options. You simply need to tap on the first option, whether you're trying to buy a call or a put option. Once you tap on the trade option, you'll be able to see all of the expiries being displayed on the top, as well as you'll be able to see all of the strike prices that are available. Depending upon you, you'll need to select one of your expiries as well as buy or sell, as well as call or put, depending on what you're trying to do with this particular stock. And then you need to select a strike price. So you can just tap on the plus icon on the right hand side of the strike price that is available. Once you tap on the plus icon, in the next section you can enter in the number of contracts that you want to purchase, which is one contract normally equals to 100 shares. So you can choose the limit price and then just tap on the submit option. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow if you're trying to purchase or trade options within Robinhood. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.